Now, who doesn't love cupcakes? So I'm going to give you the secret recipe to make friends, to say thank you, to say sorry to anybody. Coffee cupcakes with mocha buttercream frosting coming right up. Dry ingredients getting sifted in first. So, refined flour, caster sugar, instant coffee powder, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg powder, and a pinch of salt. So we have all of our dry ingredients here. We need to sift it. And this is the reason that you've got to use a sift. We are going to now work on our wet ingredients. One egg, oil, coffee liquor. So coffee liquor सुनते ही डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is instant coffee powder mixed in hot water. Some vanilla essence. Now since I'm using an electric whisk, that's why I put all the wet ingredients together and I can just whisk it away. But if you're going the old school method, which is using a balloon whisk, then ensure that you put one wet ingredient at a time, mix it well and then put the next. Otherwise it will be too much of an effort trying to bring all of this together. Okay? Okay, so this is done. We have our dry ingredients. Time to combine the two together and to bake this. So we'll do it very lightly using the cut and fold method. Okay, this is cut and this is fold. Keep moving the bowl. That way you can cut and fold even easily. Do not worry about the lumps that you can see over here right now. The more of this mixture is going to get into this one, it's going to start absorbing all of the liquid. So all of these lumps that you're seeing over here, they will dissolve. Okay, this is done. Time to put them in our muffin liners. Now we have to bake this in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or till that toothpick comes out clean. Oh my god, look at them. So good. We have to wait for these cupcakes to cool down. Until then, we are going to be making the mocha buttercream frosting. First and foremost, some powdered sugar. Pisi hui chini. To this, I am adding our regular salted butter because that pinch of salt through all of this sweetness really helps. And I'll tell you the reason why I'm showing you a buttercream frosting. क्योंकि ये आप किसी भी given point पे अपने घर पे बना सकते हो because this is just butter and sugar जो घर पे easily होता है. जस्ट इसको थोड़ा सा शुगर के अंदर आप कट कर लो ताकि शुगर एकदम से उड़े ना जब आप इसको विस्क करने लगो। So what we are going to do right now is called creaming. So let's cream. Clean the edges, and as you'll see that the butter is turning white. You want this, that means it is creaming properly. And you have to cream it till it becomes light and fluffy. At this point, I'm going to add in some cream. Nice. Now to this, I'm going to add cocoa and instant coffee, hence mocha. And some instant coffee. Whisk it and we are ready to pipe. This is done. I'm sure the cupcakes have cooled down by now. Let's pipe them and let's eat them. Okay, I think this much should be enough. And just squeeze it and tighten it according to your grip. There you go. Can you see? Now I'm going to go really simple swirls. That's it. Keep watching this space because I am going to show you some really interesting and easy to do recipes. You have to keep watching because this will make you an expert in the kitchen. Any bachelor or bachelorette out there, this is gonna be your space. So like, comment and share and stay tuned.